Wait, if I told you there's a messaging app even more private than WhatsApp and Telegram, so secure that even the company itself cannot read your chats. Hey friends, today we are talking about Signal Messenger, the app trusted by privacy experts, journalists, and even top tech CEOs. If you have ever worried about your chats being tracked, leaked, or read by someone else, Signal might be your safest choice. Signal is end-to-end encrypted by default. That means your messages, calls, photos, and even group chats are locked away from hackers, governments, and yes, even Signal itself. It's free, open source, and works on Android, iPhone, and desktop. Plus, there are no ads, no trackers, and no data mining. Now guys, come to your home screen, then go to your menu, open Google Play Store. After here, go to search bar, just search here Google on Google Play Store, search Signal Messenger. After downloading Signal Messenger app from Google Play Store, you just have to open it from your phone. I already downloaded that, so I just need to open it. Alright, I found this here and click on it, Signal. Alright, after opening it, now you can create your account, so click just continue. Take privacy with you, be yourself in every message. After that, you just need to give it some permissions like notification permission, contacts permission, phone calls permission. After that, you have to just enter your contact info like your phone number. Once your phone number has been added, then you just go next. After going next, on your number, OTP code will be sent from the Signal app. Just to verify it. After verification, you will have a professional Signal Messenger application account. So if you value your privacy, switch to Signal today and chat without fear. If you found this useful, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe and stay private.